Hello everyone, welcome back to the stream again. And first of all, happy Diwali to everyone. As I see in the chat, people are wishing me and Noman.
Happy
So all
Diwali,
of
guys.
you, yeah, all of you, happy Diwali. I hope you guys are doing good. And yeah, Noman, how are you?
I am fine.
I'm fine. Yeah, I like your background. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Here from thanks again for this. Thank you, man. Video start. Yeah, happy Diwali, guys. So as you can see, so this is the output from the last stream. So this much we did. So in this one, now we're going to finish this shot in this stream. So let's see how much we can do. So the idea is now Norman will continue refining some BG creative thing. So we'll refine some BG and we'll have a final BG from his side. Then after
Hmm.
I will do some tweaking. If you guys saw the thumbnail, I will quickly show you. I will quickly. So this was the previous output which I'm playing, and if I show you this here, you will see what we added. So let me go to that lighting one. You can understand. So
Hmm.
in the last stream, I mentioned it like we are going to add a canopy. So here we added a canopy with some lens glass dirt, but I know this is too much, but we will keep it very low. This is just to show you the we actually added. So and you can see
So,
it's also interacting with the light. So if I go to the previous frame, you can see it will interact with the light, and we will see how I did this. It's all done in Nuke in this backdrop. But first of all, let me just turn off this one, and this much we did in the last stream. So if I do 1 2, and obviously I added this light here we have in the plate. So let me take the plate. So this is the plate, right? So this light. So I will show you that. But first, Norman will continue refining the BG for this shot. So let me just remove these things, and this is we have. Okay, so let me change the view. Yeah, Norman, you want to say something before we switch the view?
no, no, no.
All done now? All
Yes,
good?
all done. Yes, all good.
Okay. So now we switch it to the comp view, and I think Norman, you can control and you can do your creative stuff, whatever you want.
Okay. Okay, so you already did one pre-com
Yeah,
here, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. We will replace it with.
Cool.
Hmm. So let's play one BG.
So this is the BG we have currently.
Mm-hmm.
So in the last stream, I did little, creative color correction on the background.
Hmm.
You can refine if you want. I also added defocus and little bit of what we call that glow, exponential glow. Let's see.
Hmm.
It's your take.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is the background. So, guys, we did this background using this AI generated images, and we stitch into Photoshop just for this stream purpose. So we have used AI images, AI generated images. So you did this, right?
Yep.
Add some depth,
Yeah. Some color correction, because it's looking, very flat.
flat, flat, yes.
So that's why.
And what is okay again?
Yeah. Same.
Same thing. Okay. So now what we will do? First thing first, we will add some glows on this emission, like these lights,
Mm.
like exponential glow, and let's make our BG slightly contrasty. Any this is CC. Okay.
Yeah. This is the final CC.
Let's switch to main pipe. What is this? Okay, you have already added glow. Okay, okay.
Yeah, just the setup I did. I mean, very little thing.
Yes, yes. Hmm. Additive.
Yeah, so I will also explain the additive because I replaced that additive with the
Mhm.
additive gizmo.
Mhm. So for this, I will take new CC, so we can easily turn on and turn off for showing purpose. I will use this color correct node for now.
Mm,
So slightly at 0.05. Hmm.
yeah, it's very subtle, but I can see it.
Very subtle.
Yeah.
Because if we add this thing na glass and glass
Mm-hmm.
thing, it will become like more lifted.
Yeah, correct, correct.
That's why let's slightly increase contrast. You guys can see, right? I did this is before. Wait, it's loading.
Mm, yeah,
This is now.
yeah. Actually, in the darker area, I think you can see much better. I guess. Yeah,
Hmm.
here, yeah, yeah. In this part, I think. Yeah, it's getting heavy because the heavy motion blur at
Mm-hmm.
overscan. That's why. Yeah, I
See?
can see. I can
Better.
see. Yeah,
Okay.
we can change. After we adding glass and all these things. Yeah.
We can change it. And now just see here.
This the DMP, like I mean, this image already have that glow thing
Mm-hmm.
already baked in.
Hmm.
So we can just little enhance that because there is no point adding again
No,
that
no.
glow.
You already did it. Nah, I didn't
Yeah,
know that.
yeah, that's why I added very subtle. I mean, it's not
Mm-hmm.
much, very subtle amount. Yeah, we can
So
enhance this one also. Yeah, this part.
let's make this.
Yeah, so
Let's
little contrast so we can see a bit more detail.
hmm, let's make some space here.
Yeah, no man. I will just came in 1 minute. Okay, meanwhile,
Mm-hmm.
you can continue. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, wait.
Hello, Sai.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Wait. Let me just turn on my camera. 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool. Continue. Continue.
Okay. Cool. So
So the Noman is doing what I did in the above, like just doing some CC to add little bit contrast, and it will also feel like little bit depth in this glass. So yeah, if you guys have any idea about how we can improve this background, please
let us know.
put in the chat. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so we can try that also. Yeah, the replace button. Yeah, click the replace. Yeah, now it will work. Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, see, just by just reducing this thing, yeah, it helps. Yeah, see,
Hmm.
it's now matching the contrast surrounding it. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Hmm. Too lifted before.
Hmm. Wait, let me check this.
Are we able to see that thing? Is it visible here?
I think hmm,
Yeah, here, yeah,
this,
yeah. This part, this one, yeah.
this. So let's change the color because everything is like
Hmm.
red, yellow.
Hmm.
So we will just do this like you shift, changing the color. You shift.
Yeah, this one also looking good, the green
Hmm.
one, but I'm not sure. Check in the final. Yeah.
Why
Hmm.
it's coming like this?
Yeah. I think it will
I think
reduce a bit. Yeah. It's
I
getting too
think
high.
no, we have this thing now. I think.
Actually, because of this lock tool in, I guess, just remove that lock tool in and check. See,
Hmm.
I told you, no. I think we don't need that lock tool in here.
No. Actually,
Yeah, it's
just
getting negative value, right?
I'm negative. Yes.
Hmm. Oh yeah, guys, this clamp negative
Hmm.
you're not gonna see in here. This is the code. So you can put
Hmm.
this in red, green, and blue, all this channel. So if you want, you can take screenshot and put this value in your expression, and you have a clamp negative. This is not like a clamp. Clamp will clamp all the values to 0 to 1. This is only clamping the negative
Minus.
values.
Yes. Negative
Okay.
values.
If in your
Hmm.
shot have only negative value, it will clamp to 0. That's it. It will not gonna touch your highlight value. Okay. So it's very good. This is just an expression which I save and no one also have. So that's why it directly search and this clamp negative.
Wait.
Okay. Yeah.
I do this. Okay. I
So they
can't.
can copy paste, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
That's it. Yeah. So just add this. I think that will work, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now see this one on. Yeah.
See, it's
Now we
gone.
don't have that. Yeah. Yeah. So this is just a quick fix. Yeah. Now see here how the color is looking. Yeah. It's matching. I think it's
Hmm.
looking good for me. But I think we need
Let.
to little brightness, right? It's
Hmm. It's become very dark.
mm-hmm.
That's.
I think this much is fine. I guess. Let it load. Oh yeah. Slightly reduce. Yeah. Mm.
Now.
Yeah. Just change the yeah the gamma. Yeah. Little bit. Yeah. 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 I think yeah. This is fine. I guess.
Fine, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. This is fine.
Because everywhere we have this orange, red.
This is yeah. This is good for now. I guess.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now what we can do? Think you okay.
This is just for alpha because we don't have
Hmm.
that. I think that's enough. I guess for the
Hmm.
BG. We can we
Anyway,
with
it's
this
hmm.
we can go further and further, and it's never gonna end, right? BG
Hmm.
treatment.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah. So just check
So
the defocus is correct. So we can match with the plate. I think I don't know about the plate. It's a plate. Yeah.
You can see here now it's
Hmm. How much the defocus we have?
and this is 35 mm or what was the
Yeah,
focal length?
24, I guess 24. But we don't have a camera, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I just added defocus. No, that's it. But we can use filter shape also. I also have a filter shape. Just now I used the defocus, normal defocus, but I think we can use the
I
filter
think
one.
this defocus is fine for now.
Fine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. We can, but we can show no that
This
convol.
icon wall
Yeah, I have convol and on the
actually.
default one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
You can search.
Let's keep this 2D defocus only. We will use that icon wall in our next stream that we
Yeah,
are going to
yeah.
do in.
Yeah, you can tell about to everyone, guys.
Mm-hmm.
The next stream. So this is the last stream from this series. I will
Mm-hmm.
start next series very soon. But meanwhile, we have a stream going on a Granite Image channel. Norman, you can put the link in the chat. So he will schedule the stream very soon. So in there, me and Norman, we will do some CG look dev,
Hmm.
what he prepare, so we will do that in upcoming, I think next week, right? No man, next week
Yes,
we
yes.
will do.
Next week.
Yeah, so make sure you subscribe Granite Imagery and turn on the notification bell so you get notified about the
Hmm.
stream.
So
So
now it's rendering, so you can switch to another.
uh, yeah, wait, yeah, while this rendering, let's talk. So no one, you can share the link in the chat. I think you
Okay.
already share, but you can reshare again, so
Mm-hmm.
people can subscribe and make sure schedule the streams so they can get notified.
Mm-hmm. And also we will like provide full CG assets with deep in our Patreon, so you can subscribe our Patreon also.
Yeah, you can share the link
Mm-hmm.
also.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So he's sharing the link, guys. Go and check out his channel, and also make sure to like this stream. I can see 22 people like that. Thank you for that, and 16 people are watching. So thank you for joining, and thank you for giving your time. Yeah, so make sure to check the link Norman is share in the chat, and
Mm.
once this is done, then I will show you what I did to add that canopy for this shot and the dirt and the whole the process. Everything is done in Nuke. Also the reflection. So the reflection also is done in Nuke. So I will show you the entire thing. So let this finish. I think it will take time. I want to know that what's your method and character going in motion blur in front of tracking marker. So you want to remove the tracking markers, or what you are asking? Way of approaching what I mean, you want to remove the tracking marker, that's you are asking? Amok, sorry, Amok.
Yeah,
Yes.
how to remove markers?
See, if the character, see that thing, like we can, as I know, I'm not a prep artist, so how I do, I will tell you. If the character is moving in the frame now and it's overlapping with the tracking marker now, I will do a paint. That's the easy way, I know. So just clone painting 1 or 2 frame, because when the character is overlapping with the marker now is only 2 or 3 frame. That's it,
Hmm.
and it disappear the marker. Norman,
Hmm.
how you going to approach? I mean,
Hmm.
what you
Same
will
thing.
do?
Clone that paint node, or else we can use this
Hmm.
thing. This gizmo.
PXF,
PFX.
PX. But the problem is now he's talking about character overlapping with the marker.
Then paint is the best node.
Yeah, yeah. uh Witty
It,
DZ, and what he saying, you to get weird edge line with the layer renders from Blender to Nuke? Okay, if yes, and if it's okay, can you tell how you tackle the issue? Blender render layer. Okay, I need to talk about. I need to see that. I never saw that issue. What you're talking about?
No, we never face any issue like that.
Hmm. If you have one proper alpha, na, then you can pre-mult, and I think you're not gonna get that any issue. Just check the alpha. Everything should be quick, especially
Especially
with the
with
we do have some EXR render. In my previous tutorials, and Norman also have in the when he doing the stream on Canopy, na, you will see we have that Blender render.
only only we are facing that issue in the depth pass only, but in like RGB and beauty pass we never got this
Yeah, yeah,
issue.
yeah. Can you specify? I mean, you're talking about any specific pass, or it's just overall thing? In RGB layer, in the beauty layer, you also getting a issue in the edges. All right, I think we are almost done this rendering.
Hmm.
Switch the view, so I think it's done. So
Mostly overall less.
need to check that
Hmm.
because Norman, you guys are work in that Kalki also, right? So did you face any this kind of issue?
Oh no, we
Hmm.
didn't face.
Hmm.
Yeah, Raghuram.
Okay, make sure you join the server and you can ask there. So we will see what you are facing the issue. We can share screenshot if you can so we can see the what is the exact issue you are facing.
Hmm.
So we can discuss. Okay, so I think this one is done. Let me just
Just reload it. Yes.
reload, and now we have this BG.
Hmm.
Okay, so let me just take from here, and first you can see I created one stamp here. If anyone know about the stamp, so this is the stamp. This is basically you are creating a reference point. So from here I can create one reference point, and then I can use this background anywhere in my script. So here I never use anywhere, but for this glass thing now I use it here once. I will show you why. I will join the server. Yeah, thank you, man. Make sure to join, and you can ask there what is your problem, what problem you're facing. You can share screenshot, and you can ask. People are helping each other. I'm also if I get time, I'm also replying there. So okay, let me just this. Okay, so this is the glass setup here. What I have. Let me disable. First, I will show you what I did. Then I will do it live. Okay. So this much. This is the shot we have. So this is the final here. First, let's see the additive. So previously I'm doing that divide multiply technique, but now I'm using this additive keyer. This is this additive keyer, and this much the correction I did. Nothing, just brightening this and just tinting the color and key mixing it. So only for
Gaming.
the hair. That's it.
Hmm.
And if I merge here now, we have this color here, right? All the hair details are coming back.
I think we
Again,
can slightly increase saturation. Huh?
yeah. So we have a lot of control here. We can see this tint color. I can just add, but I make it white. If I need this color, so I can just grab this color here from the Genoid plate. I can grab this color, and I can have this color. So, and as
No,
a
no,
Roman said, yes, there is no saturation here. Yeah,
top one,
saturation.
top
Yeah,
one, top
sorry.
one.
So we can increase the
See?
saturation, and we get this color here. And if you
Hmm.
see, it's very little here, but we can push it. I think from here, yeah, here and this brightness, so we get more this. But I think the one is fine, I guess, because we don't need this much of hair. We need just to match with the plate. See, the plate is not a complete piece, right? It's broken. So see, it's now matching very nicely one to one. Here we
And
see some issue here because of this color, I guess. So that's why I think it's oversaturated. Yeah. So I think one. Wait, no man. I think your mouse
oh,
is
sorry.
your mouse is coming here. Okay. So I think that's why I reduce this amount like this. I think that's fine because we have that PG. So that's why you guys see this PG color here. Okay. Okay, just keep this here like that, and then we need that lightning, right? So if I go here, some, yeah, see this light we need. Okay, for that I will show you what I did actually. Okay, so if you remember, we created this clean plate, and you can see except the character, everything is remain as it is,
Hmm.
right? See this. Okay, one to one. This lightning also in the clean plate. uh, so how I recover this one, this is not available in the alpha. You can see this is pure black here. So the way I approach this thing, I have this clean plate, right? So I did a one frame mold here. Okay, any frame, that frame doesn't have
Without
that
light.
lighting flicker, and I minus with the actual lighting frame. So it will automatically do the minus operation. So we are removing this one green color except the lighting. So now we have this light flicker. See,
Hmm.
only the light flicker now you see. So I'm comparing with the what you call the frame mode. Okay, you can also use offset node if you want to keep it live, because I will show you what I mean. So I remove this one here. So this frame have lighting, but in the previous frame we don't have lighting, and in the forward frame we also don't have lighting. So I can use this one frame or one frame back in every time. So if I do like -1, if I go to this frame is this lighting frame, but if I go here there is no lighting. So I do this instead of frame mode. I think this will also work. Let's see, but I am not sure it will work in every frame because this
Hello.
is
I
offsetting. Yeah.
I think quick assist is disconnected.
Oh, okay. Let's quickly, I don't know what happened. Let's quickly connect again, guys. Let Give me 1 minute so no one can see. Yeah, no one, can you share the code?
Mm-hmm. 2 minutes.
Yeah. So meanwhile you are sharing, I will just explain what I'm doing. Okay. So let's see. So this offset will work, but if the flicker is staying 1 or 2 minutes longer, then it will not gonna work. So let me just paste the code. Yeah, no one is connecting. Guys, give me 1 minute. We are just connecting to my system, so no one can see my screen, and if you want you can control also. Yeah, yeah, it's connected,
Mm.
right? Yeah, you can ask,
Yes.
for, if you want, if you need, yeah, yeah, allow.
Mm.
Now working, right?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, so Karan Mehta, hey guys, one question not related to this shot, but I want to know where you guys use
Pen tab.
pen tab, like you just use for roto or paint, or use for all overall. Yeah, overall comp. It's not just pen tab, overall. When you're
Mm.
doing comping, we are use overall. Like currently I'm using. You can see currently I'm using it. So it's not just for this thing. And also in the studio we also have pen tab. So that's why this habit is coming from the studio. See, in the offset the issue is like yeah, I think this, yeah, see here. So now we have this lighting in 2 frames, so this offset will not gonna work. So that's why if you have only single frame flickering, then it will work. Otherwise I think this frame mold is good to go. So I'm doing this, and now we have a flicker, and
Mm.
then we can just do plus, because when you do minus we need to do plus, minus plus opposite operations. So we need to do that, and here I just reduce the intensity how much you need. So I think I kept 0.5, and also I change the color, because in, if I show you, I think this frame the color is yellow and we need to change it little bit. So now you
Mm.
can see, so just little small grading, like make sure you in your grade, make sure you turn on this
TMI.
TMI. it will like this. Okay, when you open your Nuke first time, and if you open this color panel, you will see this HSV and RGB. You need to turn on this TMI. Okay, this is temperature, this is like magenta, and this is value. Okay, so here I'm just changing the temperature. That's it here also. So that's it. So we have this color here without affecting the luminance. I'm changing the color only, and we have this additive. So this one I added in the background, and then we are merging. Now we have this lighting, reflection lighting matching with the plate, and we can change the intensity how much we need here in the plus. So I thought I keep it low because it's too distracting. Yeah, Rishikesh, yeah, happy Diwali. Yeah, you too. All right, so after doing this, let's see this setup here first. So for this canopy, like we need a curve shape, right? So for that I use this Nuke geometry, this what you call this cylinder, and I transform this one. So this is the position now, right? And we need a camera like this because our shot is like this angle, right? This type of camera we need. So I have a camera here also, which I place it exactly the same. So if I take one C note, I will quickly show you. This is the camera, and this is the geo here. For view, you can see this is looking like this. And you may ask how you place this one, I mean the camera position. So I will show you what I did here. So if we have this one, okay, so what I did, I add one checkerboard, and let's connect this one. So now we have this geo, the texture on this one. I'll use scanline render, connect this one, and so I'm using a stamp, so I will take a camera from here directly like this and connect here. So now we have this. So I add a camera, and then I merge this one directly to the plate like this, and I reduce the opacity, and you can see the perspective line is matching. And based on that, I just rotate my camera. I'm not rotating my geo, okay, I'm just I just scale my geo like this from here to here. That's it. And it's placing on a 0 0 in a grid. You can see it's in the center. So after merging this one, I added two axes here. So I will quickly show you. I disconnect this one. So this is the camera from Nuke you will get. So this one axis is looking, so camera always gonna look on this axis. You can see the position will be same, but it will always look to this axis, right, like that. So I place it as a little bit higher. You can see little bit higher from the ground, and this axis is controlling the everything, the position, the rotation, and all those things from the center point. Okay, that is the catch. Because if I remove this axis, so I can move from here, right? But I want to move it from here, so I connect it here. I'm not changing the camera. Yeah, I change a little bit, you can see, but mostly I control with these two axes. So from here I change the rotation and while viewing from here. So here I can change, you can see how much you need, and I think the translation you can see I kept, let me just make it 0. See, we can put like this, but I think I want to see this line coming, so you can change the angle like this here. See, so this way you can get a proper perspective. And so I think yeah, I think the 20 is good, and make sure you check the focal length. I think for this shot I said 24. I think in the Action UFA website they also mentioned it is 24 millimeter. I'm not sure, but I think this is 24. It's very close. Let's see. So this much. So that's how I place this one, and now the perspective looking good, and the glass is going on top and it's wrapping up. Okay, so that's how I align this one. Okay, and then we get this proper geo, and this is the another camera I will show you. So the actual process of doing this, I'm making a ST map from this geo, and then we are applying a texture on a ST map, and our ST map will be this round shape. Okay, and I will show you the whole process. So guys, if you have any questions you can ask here, because this will going a little complicated. You need to understand what I'm doing right now.
So we can't direct attach the texture like.
Yeah, I will show you the reason.
Mhm.
I will show you the why I did like this. So I know what you are asking because I already show you.
Mhm.
So I will show you that. Okay, so this much data we have, and this is the another camera, and this is the texture what we're going to use. So first I will show you the asset. That's why I'm showing you this one first. So this texture is coming from Megascan Pixel Bridge. So download from there. This is the 4K one. You can see it's very nicely detailed, and we need that scratches. I have one more texture. Let me just import that one also, which I really like. And these are three. So let me just show you guys. Okay, make sure to change the color space. So I'm changing this to sRGB for now. Change this one also. All right, so these are all 4K also. You can see in this one the texture is same, only the you can see the difference. See, this is inverted, but this gray is same, only this thing is inverted, right? So you can choose which one you, and this one is like this is totally inverted, right? So we
I
can
think
pick
we
this
have
one.
alpha, right?
No, there is no alpha. We can use
Okay.
luminance. This is just a texture. See, so I like this one also. So we will combine these two together. So yeah, let's quickly place this one here for now. So this is the asset I created first. Okay, let me just remove this one here. Close my window. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we already prepared the asset. Now this is the setup. This is the one setup only. This is, I'm just copy paste. I will show you this setup what I did here. So we take the geo first. So this is the geo, and because I'm using a stamp, I can't directly plug texture here. So for that I'm using this apply material here. For this geo I'm creating the ST map, and how I create this one, you can take expression node. So this is just a expression node, and this is just this code. If you I can zoom in a bit, you can see. Yeah, so x plus 0.5 in the bracket and slash and width. You just need to copy this thing and put in your expression, and the same thing here, but instead of x just do the y, and now you have a ST map like this. See, so they are same ST map, and not sure why they are changing. Let me check. Oh sorry, we need to change height also. I forgot to change that. So height, now they both are same. So I just did this one. I just rename the ST map, and I save this here in my tool set. So you can save it here. You can see I have many tool set here. So this is the ST map, and what we are doing, we are projecting it through a camera. So this is another camera. Let me just view from here and go to the 3D space. Now you can see. So this the ST map we are projecting on this cylinder, and this is the camera. I placed this camera very far away. I will show you. So it will cover entirely the cylinder. So if I view from this camera, you can see this is how it's looking. So if I zoom in, so it will cut here, and if I go away from the camera, you can see it's cutting in the sides. So from the camera first time I need to cover entire shape. So that's why I did like this. So now you can see it's properly edge to edge covering. So that's why I did. So this is just the camera to to project that ST map on the cylinder. Okay. I hope you guys are understanding what I did here, and I will tell you why I did this one like this. So let me just delete this one. I take a new one, project 3D. Okay, and do like this, do like this. Okay, now you can see the full shape of this one, and ST map is projected, right? Okay, someone is asking how to apply in intern program of file, and when they gonna launch the next intern academy. I'm not sure, but probably the next year they will launch, so we can try that time. Just be active on LinkedIn, so they will post there. So currently there is no internship or academy thing. Okay, so we projected like this, and if I view from the camera, and when we view from the camera, I'm using this render camera what we created here, right? So I'm viewing from here, and now we have this. So it will look like nothing is happened, but if I use this glass texture, if I'm using this texture, I'm doing transforming based on the this one. I will show you. So just you can just use this texture and use STMap to project it, and you will see it's bending. You can see it's not a proper flat shape, it's bending based on this STMap. Okay, so this is exactly what we need. I know we can manually do that with the grid open or something, but this is very good way of doing this. I will show you why I use this method instead of just pure 2D. I use 3D just to get my STMap in a curve shape, like the glass, like the canopy. So here in the STMap you don't need to do anything. You can just open this one. You can just select this RGB in your UV channel and connect STMap to STMap and source to source. And with the grid I just added a bit more. See that contrast level, and with the transform I just you can just scale and rotate and how you want. See, now it's repeating. See that? So I think I kept 0.4, and you can increase this one also to make more stretch. Now see, it's more stretching, right? See, so this is a very good way of using a STMap. So I have a video about STMap, so you guys can watch that also. So this much I have. Yeah.
What if we directly apply glass texture to
this will also work. See, this will also work here like this, but as I said, we need to change this one. But see, the direction is completely wrong, but it is working. Okay, just
what I'm saying, connect these to here
and
this pipe this.
Wait. Now can you do? Yeah, you have control. You can do. Yeah.
First here. Here. And then we can do this now.
Yeah, we can do, but I will tell you the reason why I did this one. Okay, so the projection and this thing is very helpful. So let me just on. So this is this. As Norman said, you can do it for the front side very easily. But if you remember, the glass is transparent. Okay, so if I show you this plate, so we need a front side this canopy, but we also need the back side here. Right? See, the back side is very important to get the glass depth, right?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Yeah. So we need that depth in the glass, the front glass and the back glass. Then only we can feel, yeah, this is a glass and she is inside, that canopy. So for that's why I used this method. So I will show you. So this much you understand, and here are multiply, to adjust. See that I here I basically reduce and defocus. That's all good. But the main trick is this. Okay, so we did this, and I copy paste this entire same setup over here. Okay, same thing. You can see the same thing. But if you ever see in the project 3D, we have this projection on. We have this front and back. Let's quickly view here what is happening here. So now you can see it's projecting it through front side and back side. It's overall projecting it. Okay, it's going it's going throughout the projection, right? But what if I want only the front side? Now you can see the half of the cylinder. What if I need a back side? So now you can see it's only the back side. So this is the whole idea. So if I do the front one, now we have this front one. Okay, it doesn't matter if I change this front or back. You can always see the front side, and this is exactly happen if you just directly apply this to this. Okay, we just need to change this thing, but we get the idea. This is the same thing, but we can't get the back side from this geo, right? See, this is texture is direct apply, and we are reviewing from this camera to only this piece, and the back side is not able. We can't capture the back side. there is no way to capture the backside without this projection setup. So now let me just switch this to front just to make it clear. So this front side we are doing, we have the projection in the front side, and the same thing here we have this back side. So we have this back side ST map from scanline and here also. So you can see they are not looking same, so that means they have a different data. So the same texture I'm projecting it, and you are see, yeah, let me just, yeah, you can see this is now a back side. You can see the curve, this is the this side, and this curve is this side. This
This
is
side, yes.
outer edge, outer curve, and this is inner curve, and it's properly curving. You can see it's, you can see here this is more curve here, right? This is more curve here is less, because we are directly facing to the camera from this angle, and this side is more curve. As it go in this direction, the curve is getting less and less. Okay, and this is the best way, and this is the CC based on the shot. And so this is the whole idea. So that's why we have two here. Let me disable everything, and when I merge this thing, we have these two texture. Let me just here. So this is the front one, so this will go in front, and this is B. Okay, so now the this is, let me just see, I think the amount is, yeah, let me disable this one, and let add the different multiplier just to show you the point. All right, so let me just remove this one like this, and we have this. Let me disable the defocus also. So this is the back, okay, and this is the front. Now you can see, so this is going this way and this is going this way. So this is exactly the setup of this canopy. Okay, and let me disable remove this one, and I will enable this everything, and this one also. Let me disable this, and now we merge this here. Now you can see we have this, and let me just turn on these things, so we get, see now. So this is the setup, and of this one, see that only the front glass we can turn on, and we have that back side separately, and based on that we can change the color grading here. So we can make more contrast. You can see it's more visible here, and I think for this one, I think we can make it 2. I think we can reduce the scale. Yeah, see, I think let's make it 2.5, and also I match the defocus. You can see, so that's why this is defocus is here like this, so it's matching with this one. All right, and so now I think you can reduce the scale. So what I can do, I can play around with this scaling thing here, and this is like full freedom. You can do whatever you want, and if I don't like, I can replace the texture. So this is the glass texture, so I will replace this texture with some other texture. Yeah, let me just make this stamp glass texture too, because we are using this multiple times. That's why I'm creating this one. So if I replace let's view from here, from this to this, now we completely change. So but based on that, we have to also change the grading. So what I can do, I can just keep this one here, and this one also. I will mix these two together with the merge, and like this. Okay, let's view it here first, and let's copy paste this transform. Yeah, so we have this exactly same, and I think we can do a plus operation. Yeah, so I think now we can see the both on top. Yeah, I think let's put the grading. Yeah, see, both scratches on top, and let's view here, and now we can adjust the texture here on the texture base. So we're not changing anything here. We are changing the actual source, you know, before doing ST map. So we can change stuff here very easily. So like that, that's how I did. See here, so I can add more contrast and push this more, add more contrast like this. And I think let me check the scaling here. Let's keep it 1, and let's reduce the scaling. Yeah, so we have these small dots, you can see, and it's lifting a bit. So let me add contrast more. Yeah, so we only see that, and I think it's too much, so I can use multiply. We need very subtle, so let's use multiply for this layer and just reduce the amount. Maybe 0.5 is good enough. Yeah, and I think for this one also, what do you think, Naman? You can reduce because I don't want to look more extracting.
Hmm. You
Okay,
can.
we'll keep, yeah, we'll keep this like this. Let me just, yeah, we can keep this like this. Okay, and we can go further. We can use a noise to break this more. Okay, so this is like endless process we can do with this thing. So I'm just connecting here, take one remove node. So this is another trick, because if you see this format is not the same as our this format. So you can take one remove node, connect here, and just connect your noise there, so it will take that format without adding this noise. So this is a little hack I always use. So just reduce down, and you can use one grade to break this more if you want. So we can do like this. See that I am just breaking this pattern. So in this noise I can add more contrast. You can check the alpha. So this is the alpha like this, and I'm breaking it. And I think if I do invert, it will affect more. Yeah, see, I totally break this one, and I think I can stretch in the Y. So like this. Yeah, so but it's too much. You don't want to do a complete zero, so let's keep it like this and add more contrast. So see that now this much is fine, I guess. We need to see in the final because we can't judge there, we need to judge here. Yeah, so what I will do, I will add more contrast here. See that with that breaking, yeah, this much is fine. I think in the transform I need to do yeah, like this, I guess. Yeah, like this, and you can also change the position if you want, so it will offset basically, right? You can see, and it will slide on that curve. You can see it is sliding here on that, because we have that curve st map, right? So it will slide according to that st map. See, and you get different angle. I like this one, this. Okay, so we'll keep that and like this. So similarly I can use this noise and put it here also. So this is my glass, because I want to break this thing because it will look so perfect. So here also same thing, we are breaking this one. So let's pivot here. It's too bright, I don't know why I kept it bright, but you can see it's breaking here also. So this is how
Yeah.
you can add the glass layer. See, like this. Yeah, so let's view here, and so this is endless process. You can go, yeah, see, now I think this is fine. And you can use one more noise to push some of these to ping those highlights very strongly. So this is like very 2D stuff. So that's the setup here. Okay, from here, and just like we added the lighting here, right, for this one. So same thing, I'm taking one input from here, right, and I'm shuffling that clean plate, doing the same minus operation, and we get this, and using this. So, and here we have this mat for this. Okay, so here I'm doing this plus and this multiply and boosting this, so we can get this highlight and just plusing this again on top of the original one. Yeah, some small kids are coming. Thank you. Okay, yeah, so so yeah, so on top I'm adding this one, and now And also after this one, I have the alpha, right? We have that original alpha. So I'm basically stenciling the back side glass, adding a defocus and stenciling it. So we have this cut.
Hmm.
After that, here I'm merging front glass and back glass together. Now you can see this back glass have a cut and this front one have the front side, and this is the final output. You can change how much you want in all those things here, and then adding on top. So now we have a full control and on the back glass and the front glass separately. We can add texture, we can layer stuff, we can do whatever we want. We can also add a text here and it will bend properly. Sometimes on the glass we see the sticker, right? We can add a sticker here. Also we can add a backside sticker, whatever you can do. So this is the setup. So that's why, because I'm using same stuff over and over, that's why I created this stamp. And you can, just like I did here, you can do texture blending, whatever. It's like pure 2D stuff. There is no rule. Okay, how you can do this texture blending, you can do whatever you want. If you know the Photoshop, then it's pretty good, pretty understandable to you what I'm doing here. So this is this, and after this I have this one more setup here. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Yeah, for this, this is for the reflection. So I already have a tutorial about reflection using ray render and scanline render. If you guys haven't seen that, you can check that video. If I can find that video, I will put the link here. Let me just see if I can find it. I will share the link here in the chat so you guys can see that. In that one I explained it about the reflection, how you can make the reflection in Nuke. And this is the exactly same setup I am using here, so that's why I want to share. Let me just share, copy the link, open your chat. So this is the link, reflection. Yeah, so make sure you watch this one. So here I explain everything about reflection. Yeah, Alpin, thank you. So thank you, Alpin. So go watch that. But here I will also explain what I did here. Okay, the similarly. So remember in the above here I created a stamp, the background stamp. So we are using a background stamp and we are using the same asset what we have here, right? The geo, the camera. So that's why I created the master asset here. So we can reuse multiple times without duplicating these things. So same thing here, using this background as my reflection plate, and I mirror this one because when you get reflection, it will basically playing reverse, it will invert it. So we need to invert here again. So inverted, that's it. And here we have this projection on a sphere. So I did a little cheat here. I project on a sphere. Let me remove this one. See this, I projected on this side, and if I view this scene node, if I zoom in a little bit on that scene, where is that? Yeah, where is our geo? Yeah, so this is the geo and this is this. It's very, very small. See, so this is the big sphere and it's projecting on the back side. Okay, and if I view from ray render, see, so this is our render camera what we have initially, and this is I'm projecting backside because there is some trial and error. If I just directly plug this one like this, so this is happening, right? So this is correct if you have a HDR map,
Yeah,
but
right.
but we don't have HDR map, so it's getting a repeated edge in this side and on the top also. You can see you get sphere, but this is you need to do. Okay, if you have HDR, you can just plug like this, and if you view from ray render, and make sure in your geo you apply this reflection node. So this is setup, and if you view from here, so this is the reflection you get. So this is the actual reflection. Okay, this is the like accurate reflection if you just directly apply. Okay, but I did a little cheat. Okay, I projected on the back side of the sphere like this, and our render camera is opposite side like this. You can see. So this is the render camera. So this one is the render camera, and this is the projection camera on the sphere. So we get this reflection on my that object, okay, like this. And we just zoom in the geo. So this is the geo we have, and on this geo, if I disable this one, so this is the render. Yeah, so see, this is like this, and this is here, so opposite side, right? Now if I view from here, I can see not showing the texture, that's fine. But if I view from here, so this is the reflection we are getting. Okay, I'm not sure, it's not adding on top. If I just directly apply this one like this, see what happened. It's adding a reflection in the side, that's good, but see what happened in the top. And why is happening? Because as I show you, this thing on the top, we have this, so it's reflecting the top side. So we don't want that, so we have to do a little cheat to get the reflection, but it is reflecting in the back side in a different angle. So we get this reflection, which is not correct. So what two things I did. First, I did a projection like this, and it's removing that top side, and I'm just flipping this one so it will go proper this direction. And the second thing what I did, I added another transform geo. See, if I click this geo now, is this geo already have the transform geo, because I place it on the axis, right, on the 0 0 in the grid. In the second one now, I did scaling, so like this. So because here we're not seeing this top side, because in the actual dome we don't have this back side on the top. See that on the top we don't have, so that's why you see the black here. In the side only you see, because as I said, we can't do like this, we get this issue. So we have to change, we have to remove the top side, so that's why there is no top side. So this existing reflection is entire this back plate, this entire reflection is coming in this small part, right? So that means we have full reflection in this smaller side, so we need to just expand that. So for the geo, I just add a transform geo and just scale this thing, that's it. You can see in the scale, I put in the Y, I place it 2. You can increase more if you want. So I just did 2, and if you want you can do this thing also, what you call the position, like need to go very slow, yeah, like this. But I think the position is good for now, so I just scale the 2. You can reduce if you want, like this. You want to keep it slightly, you can, but I place it 2, so we see this 2 like this. So in the reflection we get proper reflection, and the reflection also I change the, by default this is 1. Wait, what is the default value? Yeah, 1 1, you can see. So default value is 1, so I change based on my the correction what I did here. So it's 2 here and value is 3 here. So see, it will add more contrast. So I think 0.3 is fine, and with the red enter. Okay, so now this is going good. So now we have this white alpha. We want luminance alpha, so that's why I did a keyer here. Now we have a luminance base alpha, right? And then again, obviously the defocus we need to add, and then I'm just merging with my scratches. So here we are adding a scratches first, and then on top we are adding reflection. You can do different way, like you can add reflection and then you can add on top, but I think there is no need to do that because we are doing a plus operation, right? So it will look the same. Okay, and yeah, I think that's it. And then you can add on top. So now we have separate layer for reflection, you can see, and we have 2 separate glass layer which have a dirt layer, right? And as I said, you can use this one to distort the image if you want, because it's a glass, right? But I don't think so we need to do that. Yeah, stream is going good, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's continue. Okay, so this is we did, and now this thing is passing, and So here I did one little small trick. So this one I use and I blur this one a lot, and we have this scratch layer. So because the light is passing, right, so it will glow this to this. You will see we're creating this map where the
Hmm.
light is passing. So with the multiplier you will see like this. So just boost with the grade, so you get the highlight and just blur this one before you merge the reflection. So if I
Hmm.
zoom in, you will see what I'm doing here.
Yes.
Got it? So because we have the light, so this should glow, right, the surrounding area. So we have this nice lighting here. See here also, before like this it should glow like this. You can reduce how much you want, so I keep it 100. You can make it 50, so it will see, it will reduce the fall off. You can see it's reducing the fall off, but I kept 100. You can see it's coming till here, right?
Hmm.
So based on your taste, based on the look, you can change this one, and this one going on top, everything is going on top. So now the setup is ready. All we can do, we can just change and play around the setting. So for me, this scratches is looking way too much. It's distracting a lot to me. So I will reduce this one. I can reduce overall here, so that's why I added a one multiplier here. We can reduce overall. So now it's 0.03. Let's make it 0.01. Now you can see it's
Hmm.
very subtle and it's looking very good, I guess.
Yes.
Because it's a defocus, that's why it will not gonna visible too much, right? Because it's very close to camera here. See this, so
Hmm.
the backside, uh, I think we can reduce. I'm not sure. Let's see. It's already 0.1. I think let's keep it this way, and let's view where the lighting is coming. Maybe this frame, and let's view at the end. Yeah. So this is, you can see the interactive light is hitting here, and you can see the it's highlighting this area.
Hmm.
So like the setup is ready, so we can reduce the amount of this thing. So here this is the setup, right? It's like the scratches like dirt react to light, react to higher luminance value. Yes, correct. So this is exactly what we are doing here. Yeah, or I think you're talking about this one, right? Yeah. So this thing, so here I will show you. Yeah, see this one, because high low, so we need to interact these things.
Hmm.
So now we can reduce this one. So this is also, we have a control here, so this much you can see.
Hmm.
So this is without this interactive light. We need to add because it's very bright, and the scratch will get light up like this in reality also. So we can break this with the noise, because now you can see it's very single, I mean there is no luminance difference, right, Oman? So we can break this one with the noise
Yeah.
also,
Hmm. Yes.
but I'm not gonna do that. You guys can do, because I'll already show here with the noise how I break the texture. You can do the same technique here also to break this
Hmm.
lines. What I'm going to do, I'm just reducing this amount. I think it's looking too much for
I
me
think we can increase the defocus also now slightly.
in the back, right? But if I
Hmm.
zoom in, yeah, let's check the plate first. Let me just check the plate. Yeah, this technique is so useful. I use it every time I use a lens dirt on a emission pass in After Effects. Yeah, yeah, you can use this when the light is hitting directly to the camera. We see that lens dirt, right? So yeah, you can use that. Yeah, it's very common technique. Yeah, yeah, no man. Yeah, there is a defocus, much higher defocus, right?
Hmm.
So I think, yeah, see this thing is not matching here, right? So I think
Hmm.
to increase. So before stenciling, I have this defocus. Let's make it 2, I guess. I think it's good, right? 2, Noman.
2 is good.
Mm. And you can see this is rounded. So before doing defocus, we can do a little blur, I guess. Yeah. Mm. See, Noman is looking, box,
Hmm.
because if I disable, yeah, see, because it's very high value, I guess. So I think
Hmm.
the defocus is not as blur. You can see it's maintaining that rectangle shape. That's why to break this one, I added a blur, so it get rounded. So I
Hmm.
think, see, now it's looking circular shape. Before, see, it's round, it's square. We can see it. Now it's
Hmm.
round. Okay, so little bit blur is fine. How much amount I added? Yeah, 2 is fine. What do you think? The defocus is good, or should I increase more?
No, no,
This is good. No, I
let's
think
keep
it's
it
too
2
much.
only.
I think too much, right? You can
Hmm.
see this line is very sharp here, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, I think 2 is good.
Hmm.
All right, so this is this. So now we successfully added this interactive light on the glass, and see now it's looking much better compared to this. Now see this is like empty. So this is the thing Noman is talking about. You can see when I added a glass, see this is lifted, right, Noman?
Hmm.
So based on that, we can go up, and you can just, I will just make this live for a second. Will load. Yeah, okay. So that's why you added here. Where you added that, Noman? Yeah, here.
See.
So based on this, we can change the contrast level. I think make it 1. Yeah, I think 2. Yeah, see, it's added more contrast. Let me just turn on and off. You can see how this is affecting. Yeah, see.
Hmm.
I think for this, what we can do, 1.1 is fine, I guess.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm not gonna render this one right now. Okay, but you guys can understand what I'm doing because it will take time.
Just
And
added one again. This na
hmm,
CCM slightly increase.
what?
You know what I am saying
Yeah. You can do control.
here, na?
Oh yeah,
Like.
yeah. Oh, sorry. After the pre-comp, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, cool. Yeah. Hmm. Now, if you can view in the end,
Hmm.
hmm. Yeah, this is like on the fly. We can change. Yeah. See, now
Hmm.
he added a little bit of contrast. Yeah. Okay. Let me just control. Okay. So I will do here, and whatever the value you added before, I will just 0.5, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So this much we added. Now, then after we decide to add a camera check. So I will show you the camera check setup here. So the camera check, I'm using this BM camera check. If
Interesting.
you have this Nuke survival toolkit in your tool set here, then you have that tool also available.
Hmm.
So what I'm doing here, same thing, I'm using STMap, and with the STMap I have overscan also. So there is a trick to get a overscan. I will show you. So you take one reformat first and set this to scale, preserve bounding box, and just do a scale 1.2 or something, and take the same reformat, just copy paste and just link this scaling parameter, just drag and drop here, control click and just drag and drop. Okay, and
Hmm.
then you can go here and open this one, and just you need to do this 1 divide by this, whatever the reformat thing. This is the same thing, I just add this 1 divide by, that's it. Okay, do that, and then here change the resize type to none, same preserve bounding box here also, and here keep this width. Okay, then you have this overscan, and then you can add your st map. So you have overscan. So let's show you this one with the transform. If I do like this, you can see now we
Hmm.
have overscan. If I remove this one, so now we don't have overscan. Now I need overscan. Why I need overscan? Because obviously we are adding a camera shake, right? So it will show the edges.
Hmm.
So we can use this one, and this is the camera shake I added here. So just play around the setting, that's all I can say. So this is very, based on your taste, how much camera shake you want, but keep it real. Okay, don't increase too much. So let's use stmap node, connect this one on this render. I will show you the camera shake. Okay, because on the live com it's very hard to play.
Hmm.
Now let's play this. So I also did a keyframe where she is firing. So in this frame range, you can see we have 1 2 gram where I'm increasing the value. See here 0.15 in the previous zero point 0.5, and when she firing, the camera shake is increasing.
Hmm.
So let's go back and play with the camera shake. So anyone have any questions? Did you guys understand the process of adding a glass and this thing? Let me know if you have any questions. So what's the time? So 5:16, Noman. Let's we can wrap up. Okay, in
Oh.
half an hour, I guess. Okay,
Yes, yes.
let's see. Yeah, so you can see. So this is the camera shake, and when she firing, we have a little bit more camera. You can see. So and when she stop, now we have a camera shake
Yeah.
is reducing slowly.
Hmm.
So this thing we have. So but before applying this camera shake, I was thinking, to add more camera shake to this front plate
Hmm.
and bit less camera shake to the back plate.
Hmm.
Okay, if you want to do that with the same thing, that's why I use STMap. So we can use this one as an asset. What I mean by that, I can use this one, and if you are using same thing in a multiple places, you can use the stamp to use this asset in a multiple places without copy pasting.
Hmm.
So this is like camera shape. Okay, so let's connect this one here like this. This is just for preview. So this is my asset. I will quickly place this here on top like this on the script. 1 second, guys. Let me just drink water. I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this thing, the reflection and the texture and all those things. Okay, so let me copy paste this one, and here I already have. Let me delete this one.
Hmm.
So this is our camera shake with the STMap is here. Okay.
Hmm.
So I need to add a different camera shake to the BG. So if you need that, I will tell you how you can do with this STMap. Go above where your pre-comp is. So this is our final BG, right? So I don't want to add here because it will add on a BG house here. So I will add here. Okay. After this thing. After I think this glow also. No, not the I will add here. I will add here STMap like this and like this.
Hmm.
Which workspace are you using? Workspace. This is my custom workspace. I created this for stream. So this is like a stream layout. So you can see our faces in the bottom, right here in the bottom side. So this is now added a same amount of camera shake what we are adding, right? Let me just change this to sRGB. So but I want 50% less. So how we can change here with the STMap, because see it's changing it, right? So this is why I like STMap. We can take one STMap node again, the toolset one, okay, which we have. So here and here they are same. So I'm doing a key mix. So I will key mix this one on top of this one like this and take one roto. So like this, and let's draw a roto entirely like this, and make this 0.5. That's it. And now if you view here, now the camera shake is half. Okay, so see that here camera shake is now half. So this is the trick, and the same I will add a camera shake here. So if I press F8, you will get this menu. Everything you have stamp, it will show here, and here the last section will show you your last node which you use. So in this case, the camera shake, I will click OK, and it will come here. So STMap, oh not this one, sorry, STMap transform, this one, and here, sorry, I can't add here like this. Okay, so if you are adding separate thing, then you need to add a separate camera shake. to your FG here, and then you
Then
can merge them together here, right? So that's how we can do. But for this shot, I think I can add one camera shake. This is just I want to show you the point how you can
hmm,
use same camera shake in multiple places. You can reduce more, it will reduce more camera shake.
hmm.
So
We can
for
do one thing, side.
hmm,
Let me come.
yeah, you can control. So is there any question why STMap? I think you just join, I guess. Just rewind back, and there is very good reason why I use STMap. I also have a dedicated video about STMap.
Did you create any? Okay, let's create one channel.
What?
No, no, I'm just creating one channel.
Mm-hmm. Matte channel, right?
Mhm.
Hmm.
Just creating.
Yeah. So the STMap is very good way to store any transform data, uh, like lane distortion or any transform data. Like in this one, I show you the canopy thing. So we are storing that warping data right inside the STMap. There are many ways
So
to.
what I am thinking,
Mm,
just one somebody. So now we have this FG mat, right?
yeah,
So
got
same
your
thing.
point. Got your point.
Mhm. If eight, but where is that setup cameras shake this now?
Hmm.
So let's not make
Hmm.
10 for now.
Yeah. Norman will show his own setup. What he going to and how he going to approach. Let's see.
So let's add overall this
Yeah,
thing.
yeah. Because now we are using this camera shake once only, right? That's why there is no
Mhm.
need to create stamp.
Mhm.
Yeah, exactly.
So now we have this overall camera shake, right?
Correct.
Hmm. So now we have to decrease the camera shake on BG. So same thing, we will take
I have a
another.
setup we can copy from above key mix and all.
Actually, I deleted it.
Okay, cool.
It's just key mix.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, and we can use the that mat, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the another way. I mean, this is the another way of using Nuke channel system. So for
Hmm.
that, I also have a dedicated video about the new channel system. You can watch that also if you guys not understanding what Noman is doing. So basically, create a channel above in the stream, and
We have this,
then you can
we will
call out the channel here because
convert,
we already have a mat. Yeah,
and then we will key mix it,
got it.
and
Yeah,
we can. Mhm.
yeah,
So now we have.
got it. Yeah, understand. Yeah, correct. You can reduce the amount. Yeah,
Mhm.
yes, yeah,
And for
nice.
edges, we can like tweak this mat, like
Hmm.
code or something.
Yeah, I think we will get some issue in the edges. I guess. I don't know.
I don't think so.
Yeah, just select the channel in the STMap node. I think it's not selected. STMap node. Yeah, the
Oh, yes, yes.
yeah. Now see. Yeah,
Mhm.
see.
So just keep shoot.
We can do this like this, or we can add a separate thing to the FG and BG.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's based on the shot by shot. It's not. Yeah, don't. I think this. Yeah, add a blur. Yeah, soft blur that will work.
Hmm. See,
Hmm.
slightly just this hair is showing, but it
Yeah.
will.
Yeah. This is the another way. Okay, this is not like uh,
Hmm.
this is the
We can
wrong
do
way.
multiple. Mhm.
Yeah, this is another way you can use this one. You can combine like this,
Hmm.
and now we can have the grain, and that's it. So this is the shot.
Hmm.
And
And this
yeah,
thing, na, this
yeah,
black thing.
yeah. One more thing I forgot. No one will. Can I? No one. Can I show
What?
the display, the backside? Let me
Yes, yes,
control.
yes, yes.
Yeah. So this channel, let me just align it properly here. So we have this here. Okay, so this is the channel we created. How can I download the PG? We will provide the file, so where you get the PG and everything. So this is the last stream. So after this stream, I will post the link in my in this stream with, comment section. Also, I will post in a community post, and also I will post in my server.
Discord
So
server.
Discord server. So you can download from there easily. Okay.
Hmm.
So if you guys remember, this is we have this blue thing here, right? So I
Yes.
remove this thing uh, with the keyer, the blue screen keyer, and just do a keyer, and that's it. Did a garbage roto to make the
Mhm.
mat, and then what I did, I just desaturate this thing, and then with the grade you can change how much you want. But I think this pure black is not helping. If you view here,
Mhm.
see it's looking weird. So we need something. So I will reduce this amount. I mean increase this amount. So we have some back.
No, no, actually just deleted that then, na?
Uh,
Desaturated thing is
no, I guess if you see,
see.
it's too much lifted. I guess so. It's
Then
fine. This one.
then no, no, then
Yeah,
slightly
yeah. That's
reduce.
why. Yeah, that's why
Sorry.
I'm doing slightly. Let's
Just
point
gamma.
five. Point five is good
Hello.
enough. See. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Want to do? Yeah, you can do. Yeah,
Slightly gamma it down.
cool. Yeah, yeah. Kryptoniania. Nice. Thank you. So
Mm.
now you can see we have a keying. We added a reflection. We added scratches.
Mm.
But I know this scratches is too much. Okay, this
And one
scratches
more,
need more refinement.
just
Hmm.
see this line, hard
Yeah.
line.
Which hard line?
This it should come till here in
Hmm.
reflection. So I think this is
Hmm.
the reflection, right?
Hmm.
So I think slightly.
Yeah, we can. No, no, no. It will not move like this. You're talking about dirt or what
No,
you're
no,
talking
no,
about?
this reflection only.
Okay.
It's,
Okay, you are moving down, right? Hmm. Yeah. So this is the advantage of doing this in a 3D space.
hmm. See
Yeah.
now it's
So
coming.
now we are aligning it, right? Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that's why I aligned the geo properly in the proper perspective line. Yeah. Wait, we are still
Uh,
working.
should we add this slightly lens that slightly?
Yeah, we can. I have, but only when that light flicker is coming.
Hmm.
Yeah. Wait.
Hmm.
Let me import. Okay.
Actually, I have share one when
I have a wait.
okay,
Where you share? Wait. Let me just.
Discord.
just
Now I did a small setup inside my new.
mm-hmm.
I
Right.
can also share.
Download the texture. This one, yeah, yeah. So the demonstration you can do from that. Let me
Hmm.
download and save in my and let me import that one so you can show. With that folder, lighting, texture, download,
Hmm.
import. Yeah,
And a script,
yeah. Wait,
small setup.
yeah, yeah. And file. Okay, you can take control now.
Hmm.
Okay, wait. Let me just wait. Let's close this one. This one. Let me open the chat. So you can see what they are talking about. Yeah, continue.
Hmm.
Okay, so Noman will show you the lens dirt. So I think after after this light is hitting, when she firing, that time only we need to see, right?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Hmm. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So anyone while he's making it. Anyone have any question, you can post. Naman, you can explain while you're doing it.
It's a very simple technique.
Yeah.
No. So this is I downloaded from internet. So we'll make it ready format for canvas luminance because we don't have a alpha. And then what we will do? We will first just merge it. Just ignore this multicolor. So we have this, right? So what I have did, I just stencil out our main character, just garbage this stencil. So we can focus on our character. We will having only on this like a
On
vignette.
the edges only, no?
That's why I did this
Mm.
stencil. And for this multiply, we will connect to the our this thing. This is too much. We can have control. We will decrease it and let's do this filing frame.
Yeah.
This frame, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
We just changing some settings and to get the proper result.
Hmm.
Yeah, we can see now.
Cancel out. I think this amount is fine, right? For
Mm-hmm.
hmm.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think for
Slightly.
0.5. Hmm.
Yeah,
Point
slightly we
0.5.
can do. Yeah, slightly. We don't need too much.
Hmm. So you mean reduce?
No, no, that's fine. This is fine.
Hmm. Now we can use this now for animation. We can do this
You
thing. No?
can do a key, right? And then it will affect that. Only the when she's firing. So
Mm-hmm.
what I'm thinking of it, I will show you that
Mm-hmm.
this setup is fine.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm thinking, like, let's go the yeah, in this frame she's not firing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when she's not firing, that time we can have a little bit, see, like this, or maybe less.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, let me show you what I mean. So this frame, right? This frame is very bright, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can do a clamp here.
Lamp, yes.
We don't need that highlight. Okay, like this. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We just make a room. So this is good. This is good. This is also good, and merging here. Okay. So now you can see the amount is here also same and here also same. I mean, almost same. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So for the bright area now we can do a separate. Let's see, I'm reducing. So see here, it's same here also,
Mm-hmm.
and when it's firing, I mean it's firing here also is same, right?
131.
Yeah, here same, here same. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When she firing, we can do a separate this blur thing.
Okay.
I will show you. So So I know the lens dot only visible when the bright light is hitting, but it's also visible when there is no light. We can also see a little bit of lens dot on the side,
Mm-hmm.
right? Path kind of thing. You can change the mix value in the merge uh,
Yeah.
for on
Yes,
the on and off.
we can do, but let's
What are you saying? Yeah, here, no? No, no,
manually.
we don't need to do anything.
We can do automatic.
Yeah, we don't need to do anything. So see here, we are doing the same thing. Just for this one, we need to see here. This is the bright area, right?
Mm.
Yeah, here. So go here and just do a key here.
Yeah. Yes. Correct.
Okay,
Mm.
easy. Because we have a luminance difference, we can easily key out. Or like, see in this one we need only plate. The BG also coming. That's good. If we need, we can use this one. Otherwise, we created a channel, right? So we can use a channel. Here you don't have, right? So here you only have alpha, correct?
Mm.
So I can create one more channel here using shuffle nodes because I only want FG. I don't want these things,
Mm.
right? Do we need that thing?
No, actually, we can
Yeah,
use VG also, na?
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No.
No,
Use.
here, this is brightening. This is also brightening, right? So we
Mm.
should see, right?
Yes.
So, dominate. So what we can do? Let me give me 1 minute. Yeah. Wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah, take this. Kids are coming. Okay, cool. So this one we can do a key here like this. And we can do a luminance key. Very strong, contrasty one. And we can do a pre-mult. Okay. So now I have only bright part. Okay.
Mm.
And like we did here, so we need to copy paste. Only this thing I will copy paste. I'm not gonna copy paste everything.
Mm.
Okay, just to show you, I will keep it like this and like this. So now we have these two things. Now let's merge this here. So now we have one piece
Mm.
like this. And now let's view here first. So this is a bright part. When this goes, see, this thing still exists. Okay, but when the bright come, it will get bright. When the light is not there, it will also visible here, right? So view here now. See, still have a little bit. It's not visible, but okay. When the light coming, we can see the circle, right? So this is what I want to show. Like this, and you can push more if you want. Like you can increase this more, but I think 8 is fine. Let's view here and multiply here. So I think you decrease the amount, right? So we can keep disable this one, and you can like this. So we have more, and I think we can add a slightly defocus like this. So this is what I want to know. I want to share. So here there is no light, but still we can see little bit length dot, right? And here where the light is, we see more from this. See, off. This is overall, and this is when we see the bright light, right? See here, we can see that. So I think this is
why we use that
wait, but why we can't use the merge mix mode? You can use, you will not gonna get this automatic light changing. You need to turn and off. You need to add a keyframes, right? Here, see, it's automatically turning on and off based on the luminance value. So that's why I'm not doing anything here. Here only this one also, yeah, it's over fine. So always use merge only for merging stuff. Don't do animation here. So if you still want to do some animation, you can do using multiply.
Multiply.
Use multiply and animate here.
Hmm.
Okay, don't do here because here you can see layer separately, and you can see how brightness here, and you can provide mattes if it's required. So that's why. So if you need automatic light flickering based on your plate lighting, so this is the way you can do with the luminance thing, and multiply and plus. Here we need to do a plus. Okay, so
Hmm. Let's
and
decrease while light is not there.
yeah, so that's the advantage. No, that's why I did this one. So we have a full control. No,
Mhm.
so here yeah, here see, but disable here this one. So this one, let me use multiply.
No, we have grid. No?
Yeah, here, right? Yeah, this one I'm talking about. Yeah. So
Point,
let's
no, 0.3 can be.
0.3, right? Yeah, we can keep it because when you merge, it's not that much visible.
Hmm.
Okay. So only because this BG is bright, so that's why they are coming.
Hmm.
You don't have constant color BG, right? It's shifting a lot. You have that bright light here.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's render it now.
Yeah. Yes, let me render, and while rendering, you guys can ask. Let's first see. Yeah, we have a precomp here. Yeah, everything is precomp except this entire thing is not precomp. So let's see, is it gonna render? Let me just version of this one. Whip version is still in a whip. And let's lastly just show you the grain setup, this denoise plate and the plate. So make sure you do a proper denoise. You can see. So let me just post and show you the dark area where you can see the noise. So this is noise, this is denoise. Okay, and with the dark grain, you will get a grain properly. See, because we have many layer, that's why it's not visible. But you can see we have a grain now, and hopefully this grain should match with the plate. And it is only the color is changing. You can see. Okay, so grain is very straightforward. There is not much thing you need to do. And here I think I use this one. Yeah, I use the scatter one. So I sample the scatter on from here. But I think we should sample from the darker area, I guess. Let me just sample it and see how
What
the
if we
grain is
don't
changing.
use and keep it original?
Then we get this thing also. Let me just show you. You see, this thing is not even, right? So we also get this. You understand what I'm saying? This
Yes.
pattern, this pattern. This is not a constant color, right? So that's why I do scatter. Otherwise, we will see the pattern, that pattern in the grain also. So yeah. So now I think we have more grain. Okay, so that's fine. I will make a separate video about grain because I learn a lot about this dark grain, how you can use this dark grain. Like if your shot have a reposition or something, it will not gonna match with the plate. That time, what you need to do like this. There are, I will show you. I will make one tutorial for that in the future. Okay, let's render this one now. Let's see how fast this is rendering. 250. See. Okay. Yeah. 12 minutes, I think. Yeah. See. I think it's good, right? It's a good number, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay. So can we also use the PG grain? No, the plate is your main thing, right? We are adding up. We are adding a BG. We are adding a BG on a plate, right? If you have a plate with a separate grain plate, then you can use that grain to add a grain. But if you have a scan like this plate with a green score or something, and if you're adding stuff on that plate, then you need to use a grain plate to on your BG. I mean to overall to add a grain. there is always a plate with a grain. Okay, you will get a plate with grain. You need to do a degrain, and then you need to do this dark grain setup to add a regrain to the entire comp. There is a two method of adding a grain. One using a plate grain itself to add an entire grain on a shot, and second you get a separate grain plate. In that one you only see the grain. Okay, in the dark grain we also have a input. If you guys know, if you push this down, there is one input, external grain. So this external grain is used for if you have a separate grain plate that will only have a no grain, nothing else, only grain. So you can use this one to add a grain, not a plate grain, not a BG grain. You can add a separate new grain. So this is also required in some shots, and this is in MPC. When I was in MPC, that time we use this input. Did you use Norman this one input external
Which
grain?
one? Uh, Only like one time I
This,
have.
yeah. So in MPC, one of the show that we have, in that show, every plate is retime plate. So
Hmm.
there is a lot of issues when adding a grain with the retime. So they provided a external grain plate, and we are using dark grain with the external plate input that time. So it's not, the grain is not matching with the plate, not with the BG. It's an external grain separately recorded with that actual with the same camera.
Hmm.
So anyone have any other questions? You can guys ask.
Side, let me show you something.
Yeah. Are you sharing your screen or something?
Hmm.
Wait, so I can bring your screen here. You are sharing. Then your this thing will not be visible.
Yeah, it's fine.
Wait. Let me just.
So,
Wait.
hmm.
Before you go, yeah. Noman is sharing something, guys. Just yeah, Noman, you can continue.
Okay. So, what I'm saying, what we will do in next stream
Yeah, you can
for
share that. Yeah,
in Grenade image. Did you think it's no
yeah, I
moment?
mentioned it right. Yeah, in the
No,
chats.
no. So, in next stream, we will do like full CG shot. But in this channel, guys, make sure you
Granite
subscribe
imagery.
Grenade Image. Yeah. So, for now, we have like two frame only. So, you can see like we will have like deep for this character, this bridge and castle, this water and these mountains.
Hmm.
So and we have a cryptomat for this all
Hmm.
layers. We will have separate, but for now
Hmm.
we have like all together. So we will have a cryptomat and we will have all the data. Hmm.
Hmm.
Like we have this mist pass, normal pass, and uh, position pass and vector pass for motion blur. So in next time we will count this shot like it's full series shot
Is there any
and we,
reference you are following for this shot?
Mhm, and we will use this thing all this multi passes we will use.
Yeah.
And our reference will be this game of no not game of house of the dragon. Hmm.
Can you show this reference
Yes, yes,
image?
yes, yes.
Hmm.
So we have this reference image. So
Hmm.
basically, we try to recreate this scene inside Blender, and we
Hmm.
will comp in Nuke. So this
Hmm.
is the reference shot. Like this is like slap comp 2 3. What I have done,
Yeah, you can show the which one is the lab comp.
1 1 2. These two.
Yeah, and the reference one.
This.
Yeah, it's pretty close. What do you think, guys?
Mhm.
See, the bottom one is the reference one. Yeah, nice.
This is reference, and this is like just slap comp for checking purpose. All this multi
Hmm.
pass is working or not, or
Hmm.
anything, any data is missing or not. So in next time we will do this comp and second one, let me battery on.
So guys, make sure you subscribe to Granite Imagery and turn on your notification bell so you get
And
notified.
we are now on Patreon, so you can guys like.
Yeah, there are already some stuff here in your Patreon, right?
Mhm, mhm,
So make sure you guys can download and you can add that in
mhm.
your showreel too.
You can, yeah, yes. You can use in your showreel
Yeah, this data.
and use this data for showreel purpose. You can use that, and you will get this all this DPXR plus multi-passes, multi-data. You can download from our Patreon. So we have like membership. You can see it's $5 per month, and you will get all this DPXR and all the thing, whatever is required. So
Cool. You
I
already have
already
a
I already upload this EXR for Patreon's purpose. You can download it from Patreon.
yeah. You can just show once everyone.
Mm.
Yeah,
So like you will get deep also, deep data.
yeah. Can you show the final output?
Mhm. I did
Then
like one rough count, not
yeah,
five, like, but you can.
show your script.
This is
Yeah,
my script.
yeah. So guys, yeah. While this loading, just keep the window like this, guys. You can see Norman script how organized he doing it. So adding a backdrop and making keep everything clean. So if
Mm,
anyone open his script, you can easily understand where things are coming and how you can change stuff, creative process and all those things.
mhm.
So there is no render, so you can show.
How do you get deep render in Blender?
Yeah, that's
So
that's a that's a hack.
that's
That's a trick. We will not gonna share right now.
mhm,
That's our secret weapon. It's a secret
mhm,
weapon.
mhm,
So meanwhile, you can just enjoy the deep download and do the deep comp and add in your showreel. Okay,
mhm.
we will tell
So
we will tell you separately.
mhm. So while using Blender for this like production, we face so many issues, and we tackle most of the issues like overscan, deep, and all.
Yeah, nice. This is good.
Mm.
There is no render that you can play. You
Uh,
have a render, right? Render.
I think I have one. Let me find. Usually, I did for just for
Got your
showing
point.
showing
Hmm.
purpose only.
Hmm. So this is the output from this script, guys, and you will get the same output once you download the asset and script everything.
And you can like change the look.
Yeah. And you don't
Mm.
need to plug anything, read file, nothing. Everything will automatically link. You just need to open the new script. That's it, and you will see
Out.
the same output. Okay, but that doesn't mean that you can directly put this on your showreel. Okay, you need to
Mm,
practice yourself. You need to prepare yourself how to handle dip.
mm,
Try to recreate this comp with your own skill. Try to understand how he did and what he did, why he did. If you have any questions, you can ask him on the here server on
mm.
Discord server. I think you already have a server, right? No one.
No, no,
Do
you
you have?
can.
Yeah, you can
No,
ask in my server also.
yes.
No one is there. He's also admin, so he will answer your question based on this shot. Okay, so just mention
So,
him if you have any questions.
so this is. Well, let me show you quickly. This start.
Yeah, the slab comp,
Mm.
right? You're showing
So this is like what we render from
Blender,
Blender.
right?
Mm. Right, something is possible.
Yeah, the lights, I guess, right? No, lights are there, right? Oh, the layering, no man. You merged everything on this one, no,
Mhm.
one merge. Yeah, the layering.
One thing
Yeah,
is
yeah, like that you need to do.
mm,
You can
this
use
is
your pen tab now.
oh yes, sorry, I
I
forgot.
think you forgot. Yeah, yeah.
So
See. Now it's
This
lighting.
hold out issue after if you will use Dimna,
Hmm.
it will automatically fix this hold
Yeah.
out.
Hmm.
So this is like pure lighting. This is after.
Yeah.
Hmm. So you can download this asset from our Patreon. It's $5 membership, and you will get one every month. You will get one environment. This kind of stuff you will get every
Hmm.
month. Hmm.
Like before, you just show that environment, Game of Thrones. That will also available, right, in the
Yes,
Patreon.
yes, 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 yes.
That's good.
Okay.
Right. Make sure if you need CG deep assets for your show reel or your photo
Hmm.
or to practice, make sure
Hmm.
you download from Granite Imagery. Yeah,
Hmm.
these
This is
things.
like only $5 stuff.
Hmm.
Why we keep $5? Because you have, render will take so much time for this high quality render. That's why. So like this is this script. Very small. We will do in next stream.
Cool.
Hmm. Your render is done, Sahil?
Let me just see. Hopefully, it should done. But let me just minimize your thing. Yeah, I think it's done.
So
You can turn on your camera. Yeah, your camera is on.
camera is on already. Render done, right?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
So let's see our output. So this is what we did in the stream.
Hmm. How does a fresher in computing department get like average salary range?
Yeah, you can answer Norman if you are.
Hmm. Uh,
For me, I think the reflection
reflection.
is too much, right? I guess I'm not sure.
Hmm.
So we can
We can.
reduce. Yeah, we don't need too much of reflection. See, like here,
Hmm.
I mean. So overall, it's looking good. So this is like checking the render and changing stuff. So that's how
Hmm.
the creative process is.
Hmm.
So let's view here and this is the reflection one. So I can just
Put one multiplier and down.
yeah. I'm putting here. So so this will also get down no, automatically.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So let me just do this. Let's make 0.5. I don't need too much of distracting reflection. I think yeah, this much is good. I
Let's
guess
put
reduce more. I guess right. Let's
0.3. Yes.
0.3. I guess yeah. So I think this is fine. Overall, the except this reflection amount, I think everything is okay. This shot, but
Hmm.
still we need to refine the edges, and I'm not sure. But let me just check one thing. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is fine. Yeah, we have this right. Hmm. You see what happened here?
Hmm.
What this thing is? It's a plate. No.
Hmm. It's a plate
Yeah,
plate.
yeah. Okay, cool. Leave it. We can refine it, but I think it's fine for now. So this is this. So I reduce the reflex. Now we can see better, right? We
I
just
think
need
let's keep it to 0.1. Still, I can feel
this.
distracting.
Yeah, distracting is everything is looking too distracting. No, just for this stream purpose, I increase the value for everything. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just you guys can see.
Point
So
one.
point one, I will do this one also, and
Hmm.
I think we can reduce the amount for this one also. This bright,
Overall,
yeah, this
overall, just
no, this bright, the bright one. I think we can reduce. I think
hmm.
the normal one is fine. I think we can,
Point 0.5. We can.
yeah, reducing it. It's
Hmm.
looking too much, I guess, for me.
Hmm.
Hmm. So when it's not light is off, yeah, here. See, here is okay.
Hmm.
See here now. Yeah,
Let's
yeah, I
render
think,
this
yeah,
quickly.
yeah, yeah. Will this render? I will version
Hmm.
up.
Hmm.
Oh, always don't override your stuff. Always version up, and you can see. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is the second render we are doing on a stream. So let's render this one and then we'll see. So anyone have any question? Yeah. So
You
this
can
guy is
add
asking, yeah, about pressure thing. So it totally depend on the,
studio and skill.
yeah, studio to studio first of all, and the skill. But he's talking about fresher, right? So freshers are getting the same amount, but depend on the
Hmm.
studio to studio. So like in the range, like how can I tell you the range? It's different,
Uh,
when we join, and today is different. The
you can say like it was like 20 to 30 in between.
Yeah, 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 correct. As I said, it's totally depend on the studio to studio. Okay, I think it will render in 7 minutes. So I have a very good computer, so it's rendering nicely.
Mhm. Why are you flexing?
Cool. Okay, so what's the time now? It's 6. I think we spent it too much time.
Mhm.
It's 2 hours and 9 minutes. I think we can wrap up, guys. As a freshers, hire as a compositor. They will not gonna hire you as a compositor as a freshers. Okay, they will nowadays are they have a training program. You need to pass out that training program, then they will hire you. Otherwise, they will not gonna directly hire you. Are you going to share the script on Patreon? This script I think I will provide you for free on Patreon, and I will put the link in Patreon also and everywhere else, so you can download this one. In my server also, I will share the link where you can
But make
see
sure
this.
don't copy paste it
Yeah,
directly.
yeah. That's the whole point. Okay. So if you do the copy pasting, you are basically cheating yourself. Okay, you're not learning, you just copy pasting, then it will not gonna help you in your future basically. Okay, just see this and recreate and tackle issues where when you're facing. If you don't understand, just ask in my server. We are all there. Hey Rinku, happy Diwali to you. i hope
Happy
you
Diwali.
I hope you saw the entire stream. I'm not sure how can I get VFA internship. For getting internship, first of all, you need to be active on social media like in LinkedIn, and follow the companies and follow the HRs. They are constantly posting if there any internship going on, so you will get notified, and then you can apply. That's the only way. No one gonna come to you and tell you, yeah, there is an internship, go and apply. You need to do a research yourself. And also in my server, I also going to share if there any internship going on. So I created server, Discord server. Like, are they hiring a freshers for comp? Like after training, earlier it was first roto, then paint, then comp. Yeah, yeah, you correct. It was like roto prep then comp, but now they have a training program. They need junior compositor. Okay, they need a junior compositor, so that's why many companies are doing that training program. I just came here. I will watch the complete, yeah, stream after following. Yeah, make
Uh,
sure you watch, because in this one now we did. I show a lot of good stuff here about the glass scratches and uh, reflection and all those things. So you need to watch that. It will. I think it's very good to know. Yeah, no man, you're saying something.
Someone is asking about Blender.
Where I can't. Where? Yo, do
Uh,
you guys use Blender for CG purpose? No man, you can answer this one.
mhm. Yes, yes. Like we are totally use Blender for all CG stuff. Hmm.
Is there any plan to switch? I'm asking. Okay.
No, no, no. For now, no switch.
Okay. Cool. Uh, but I can. But can I do that internship with college? With college, I'm not sure. You need to ask, HR. Once you receive, email from HR that you are selected, then you can ask them. Oh no, what you are saying to that internship with college? I'm not sure that you need to ask that. You can, I guess, but it's not work from. It's a office, right? It's work from office, I guess, as much I know. Yeah. So version 3 we have now. How many years of experience you have, and what is your PC config? So I have 3+ years of experience in comp. Okay, in comp, and especially in studio. So this is the, I'm talking about studio experience. So overall Hollywood experience I have 3 years, and if you compare the overall experience, I started my career in 2014. Okay, but I'm not considering from there. I can consider from 2016. From 2016, I was learning and doing some freelancing work, and from 2016 itself, I started my YouTube channel also. All right, so like that. So you can say, like, 6-7 years of experience overall. And that time also I was doing comping, but not like what I'm doing right now. Okay, Norman, I think this one, yeah, I think this one is better, I guess. Oh, I think it's not rendered full frame. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, see, Norman, I think this much is enough. So you can see, yeah, see. What do you think? Yeah, I think some frames are not rendered. Yeah, only,
141.
yeah, that's fine for this one. I will render this one later. Yeah, I can play this one. Yeah. So this is what we did, guys, in this stream. There are stream, you can see the light, when the light is hitting, you can see the nice flaring. I think we can remove this one. I think, no, I'm not sure about this thing, because this thing is brightening, so we can remove this corner. So this is, okay, you guys can pay attention what I'm saying. So you can remove this one. And overall, I think on the top also we can reduce a little bit. This dirt is too much looking, I guess. This one, I guess. Right, I'm just
Just turn on this now for now. This thing.
yeah. No, we have this lens dirt. That's
No,
why
I'm
it's
saying
coming.
just turn on this crop pick, huh? Black bars.
Yeah, yeah. So here we can see how much this thing. Yeah.
Full.
So if you are using this one, then you don't have to worry about. So it will automatically crop this one. And I think this output will good if you do like this, the black one. So this is like white aspect ratio. So this one, if anyone know this one, so this is the anamorphic aspect ratio, and this is our 16:9, 1920 by 1080p. This is 16:9. What our monitors have. Okay, and this is our 4:3. This is square. This is also, yeah, and these all are different format. So mostly we are using for anamorphic we are using this one and this one, these two, and this is for our normal use case, like our phone, our monitor have this aspect ratio. So this is little stuff about aspect ratio. So in this one there are some still issue, like this red is coming because of the additive. So you guys need to refine these things. So this is not a complete proper com. There are still some edge work here. See, this is white here. So when you pick this com, make sure you refine these things. Okay, and then you can work. Now, yeah, I think this reflection is good for now, Norman. Not looking too much. It's not distracting. Yeah, but still we can see stuff are passing, right? Yeah, from here also, from this corner also, you can see. Yeah. So this is the shot we finish in this stream. In upcoming stream, I have many shots to prepare, for 2D and all those things. But as of now, I think this is enough for now. Let me just switch this view. Yeah. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask your last question, and we can stop the stream. So I'm waiting for your questions, and make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure share this stream, because we are very close to 10K subscriber. Yeah. So thank you everyone for joining the stream again, and happy Diwali to you.
Happy Diwali, guys.
Yeah, make sure to have safe and secure Diwali, okay, while you are celebrating. What is the PC control? Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to answer that second question. My PC spec, like I have 32 GB DDR5 RAM and i5 processor, 13th generation, and yeah, 3060 RTX 3060, 12 GB GPU, and I think that's it. That's the main specs, I guess. And I have SSD and hard drive. That's it. Yeah, Harsh, happy Diwali. I hope you enjoy the stream, and after this stream you guys can watch this stream again. Okay, so make sure if you miss anything, make sure to watch. All right, so I think you can switch that to end screen. And yeah, happy Diwali everyone. Thank you, and stay creative and stay healthy. So we will see you in a very next tutorial or live stream. Okay,
Hmm.
bye guys, bye.
Bye, guys.
Wait, last question. Can you do directly the edge blending right now without this filling? No, you need to do edge blending, then you can do need to do this fill first, then do edge blending. Okay, watch my previous stream, you will understand. Cool. Okay guys, bye. See you in next video or tutorial. Yeah, I'm switching the this thing. Bye.